Hi, Mike Hendrickson here with O'Reilly Media on the show floor of Velocity 2011. I'm here with Owen Garrett from Zeus. Owen, is this your first Velocity? And if it is or isn't, how are you experiencing this?
It is my first Velocity, Mike. I've been itching for years to come. I've been tracking it online. It's the first time. Really excited, really enjoyed it. Some fantastic presentations. Hoping to come and see you in Europe later on this year.
In Berlin?
Yes.
Excellent, excellent. So, Owen, are you also seeing the same trend with people you deal with, where the web ops were in one category and the DevOps kind of were in a different category? Are you seeing them kind of coming together a little bit more and the line blurring between them, as Theo Schlossnagel said earlier this week?
Yeah, I think wherever you are, smart people are going to get in everywhere and get stuff done, whatever you want to call them. Yeah. And we're seeing that. We're seeing less silos. We're seeing smart people being more mobile. And we're seeing more and more tools that everybody can get hold of that makes it easier for everyone to get their job done, make a difference, move on, do the next thing.
Okay, tools. I understand you have some tools, and I'd kind of like to know a little bit more about what are your tools and what you guys do.
Sure. So we've got a software load balancer. So it's a bit like the hardware box you might stick in your data center, but because it's software, you can put it wherever you like. And to call it a load balancer is really only giving it 5% of the credit. Okay. It can do a whole bunch of different things to your traffic. It's got a scripting language, so if you've got a policy that you want to do, you want to prioritize these users, you want to inspect this type of traffic, you want to do A/B testing between different people, then you put that in the scripting language, you put it on the traffic manager, and away you go.
That sounds like it would appeal a lot to the DevOps people. Does it also appeal to the WebOps people?
It does. It kind of crosses the boundaries a little bit because we're really like a man in the middle. We're like Wireshark on the network or HTTP Fox. We tell you what's happening across the network and we give you the tools to deal with that. So if you're having trouble setting your caching headers, if you're having trouble with particular types of content, then we can identify that and you can use the scripting language to then patch that up. So our customers are using it in ways we'd never have thought. You know, from fixing up content and websites to building massively scalable services. It's a great tool if you can get in there on the network and control what goes where and how you scale it.
Excellent. So are we going to see you at Velocity 2012, or are we going to see you in Berlin later this year?
Well, let's go for Berlin first, and then we'll be back here in 2012.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Thank you very much, Owen.
Thank you, Mike.